Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make organic soap at home. Crafting your own organic soap is a rewarding process, ensuring you know exactly what touches your skin. We'll cover the essential steps, from gathering ingredients to the final curing. Remember, safety is paramount, especially when handling sodium hydroxide, also known as lye. Let's dive into creating your very own natural, nourishing soap bars. To begin, you'll need a few key ingredients. Start with high-quality organic oils like olive oil, coconut oil, or shea butter, totaling about 32 ounces. Next, you'll need 4.5 ounces of pure sodium hydroxide, or lye, and 12 ounces of distilled water. For a personal touch, consider adding a few drops of your favorite essential oils, like lavender or peppermint, and natural colorants. The heart of soap making is saponification. First, carefully add 4.5 ounces of lye to 12 ounces of distilled water in a well-ventilated area, stirring until dissolved. Then, gently heat your 32 ounces of organic oils to 120 degrees Fahrenheit. Slowly pour the lye solution into the warm oils, stirring consistently for about 30 to 45 minutes until it reaches trace, a pudding-like consistency. Once your soap reaches trace, pour it into a prepared mold. Cover it and let it sit for 24 to 48 hours before unmolding and cutting into bars. The most crucial step is curing. Allow your soap to air dry for 4 to 6 weeks. This process evaporates excess water, resulting in a harder, milder, and much longer-lasting bar. Enjoy your handmade organic soap.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.